Welcome to AutoExplore introduction video. I'm Sampo, and in this video I'll go through the basics of AutoExplore and how you and your team can benefit from it. AutoExplore is an autonomous testing robot for software teams. It finds bugs, creates reports, and needs no test cases. To see how it's done, let's dive in. AutoExplore is SaaS application. It contains two main parts, Control Panel and Agent VM. Control Panel is where you get access to this tool. It has web UI where you can do configurations, go through the found issues and check the agent coverage. Agent VM is the machine that executes the actual testing activities. The configurations done in the Control Panel gets pulled in to the Agent VM, and Agent VM reports the findings back to Control Panel. Agent VM uses Chromium web browser to execute the testing. Chromium is used to interact with your application through its web user interface. Instead of relying on JavaScript or document query selectors, Chromium is controlled by mouse and keyboard events only. This is done to ensure that issues found by AutoExplore are something that your users may also encounter. Okay, now that we are familiar with the concept, let's see it in action. This is the AutoExplore control panel after finalizing the environment setup. It has three main areas: stream, coverage, and reports. Let's start from the stream view. This view can be used to check what the agent is doing at the moment. On the left hand side it has a live stream, and next to it there is a text log. Let me start the agent now and activate the stream. It takes for a while to start the video stream, but we can already see the agent already started by looking at the text log. Okay, that pink circle indicates where the agent is planning to click next, and orange circle indicates the scrolling mouse wheel. The agent now encountered a form that needs to be filled to continue the flow. This form is extracted and passed to large language model to fill the fields. Now it continues exploring the application. While it's doing that, it's also analyzing network traffic, browser logs, and unhandled exceptions, etc. Now the agent traveled to user settings page. You will see how editing the first name and last name will match the email field. This is possible because the application texts and agent history are passed to LLM for more context. The agent has a safety mechanism that if it gets thrown out by the application, it will clear its session and sign in again. Also, if the agent travels outside its defined boundaries, it will reset and sign in again. I'll now speed up the video and let agent cover this application. Okay, it's time to check the other views in the control panel. Hey, if you like what you see, you can sign up at autoexplore.ai to get access to this tool. And please subscribe to this channel for more in-depth content about AutoExplore functionalities. Now, back to video. In the coverage overview, you can see a quick recap of the previous coverage reports. You can trigger a new coverage report manually or integrate it to your CI/CD pipeline. If your team does multiple releases per day, you may want to follow a different approach. For example, resetting the coverage on a weekly basis. By opening the coverage report, you can see a list of all the found URLs in your application. You can then select a specific URL to see which actions have been covered in that view. There it shows a list of screenshots of the selected URL, annotated with the coverage information. Green box means the node is covered. Yellow box means the node is covered but in some other view. And gray box means the node is not covered. You can browse through the different views using the side menu. And finally, there is the reports view. This is the view where all the findings are listed. In the report overview, you can see issues grouped into different categories. For example, you can have a look into errors only. Clicking that opens a list view of findings categorized as errors. You can see when a given error was first seen, last seen, and how many times it has occurred. And you can also have your own data fields, such as Jira ticket number or status. Opening that error group gets you into the most detailed level view. There is a timeline where you can follow the agent steps of what happened before this given error occurred. You can click the step and see a screenshot from that given moment. This is useful for reproducing the error. You can also select what type of events you would like to see in the timeline. And that's it. Please like this video and see you in the next one.